read, and solve the story.
Problems.
Problems.
Right?
Write each number, sentences, sentence, and correct answer in each blank.
So how many blank? You read. There are
There are 9 small bells and 6 big bells in the church. How many bells are there in all?
So how many bells first? How many small bells? You count. How many small bells? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So there are 9 small bells plus, because they said all together in all. When you say in all, you have to join them, add them up. Okay, count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So 9 plus 6 equals, which number is bigger, 9 or 6? Which number is bigger, 9 or 6?
6,
Bigger number, 9 or 6?
9.
So 9 in your mind, show me 6. So 9,
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
very good. So 9 plus 6 equals?
15.
You're right. How do you write 15? Very good, whatever. So your answer is 15. You write down your 15 again. The answer is 15. 1 and 5. Okay? So that will be your homework. Okay? How about this one? You read. The woman
has 6 clay jars and 8 wooden
jars.
How many jars does the woman have in all?
So what will you do? To find the total number of wooden. How many clay jars? 6. And how many wooden jars? Plus 8. Equals, we do. Which number is bigger? 8 or 6?
8.
So 8 in your mind, show me 6. 8.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Very good. So 6 plus 8 equals?
14.
You write 14. You write here also 14. Very good. This one you can do at home, okay?
Okay.
So I will put XW. So we better tell this one to your classmates. The teacher Jean and Napol are here in the school, right?